Afenyo Miracles Aboagye Dennis Miracles Aboagye MPP communication, officer. Wabetre na adwen afa koko bo a yate so no. Ama Afenyo Markin also abeka bi aka ho. Na mema nkyeremu no akere wadwen ama me. Ewo comment section. Ayi Penyah block media. Meswa say any day mo. Obe like video no other one subscribe button somewhere click notification icon no latest update number akere wadwen da ama me. Ewo comment section so baso a. No share for enya bi ahwe. So Ghana na esi na ba say politics na eyeye o ma mu no. Ye twan from the debate to me and asesa ya no sane say about koye sane ni bo se tie ase because how so be should be boss koko meto ni 65 million abra wo shebo na winnim wo ye economist and Ato forcing 2013 14 15 16 na okan koko board board members board of directors na Ato forcing e ka ho bi 2014 15 16 na Ato forcing ka ho bi it onim how cocoa board operates onim say world market enyina ana enkosoro nko a ekosa aba from dollar timi affect price but all gina cocoa akuafo ni mu dwa na numu shebon abra no otifia all power no wa anwene ho kika de ope ema akuafo benya adwene bi say ene enkofo mbo ba 25 million but wan fan show mu trimu say se BBC na say world market bo kofom a ye bete so Ato force anka ho ni mistake no obia no ni asem se ko shebo but anro se ka de ka ho se na akuafo no anhwe kura ebo 31 million na akufa do tono no BBC a eso be sa ate kura ba low to 20 million se nka Ato force kan se we kan ho a anka akuafo no ntoma de da he knows it wo ye din na just dey be favor the government and ko kan tell akuafo no be ba ya bo reality a heti wo mu dollar so ate world market price go cost above form. It above for to a point say even 31 million na ekufa the person or tono Ghana yentimi ntone sa just say sa teso yes our man e be we be boka just say sa teso ko form ema eba ye and this for the defense bebrebe na no eba keka kansem bi eno ana Dennis Miracles Aboagye awoye MPP communication officer ene ona Afenyo Markin awoye mighty minority leader in parliament omo abetire omadwen afa ho na ensem we ene de obia eka
koko ekuafo na one bar 3,625 Ghana cedis and then NDC are buying at Soko 2,587. NDC are buying. The Army President MPP Nibia catcher NDC are buying. Say, and yet, Brofwa Cassiana, Omokano on grind. Na social media, na CSOs, Omokaka Brofwa Cassiana, Cocoa farmers, Omoko Musica, Tomsicamo. Cocoa farmers, yeah, when India Lucy 10 million per bar, and only as someone yeka. Into wiki. Minority for parliament, ebeye putu. Cocoa farmers on musica no, betri. In real no swa, MPP before Asia, Mr. Colleagues, they will try and divide us and come with all manner of arrest every now and then. When their back is against the wall, they will come out with arrest. Please. We are politicians, we are Chua, and your body. You are being Dr. Baumiechi and win power 2028. Don't let them intimidate you with our words. Now, the third.
Now, Sabine Becatcher was a cocoa board at the car, but I'm with you. Abane Becatcher was a cocoa board, the car. And Nuntina on to me first, can be a day. And Kaomawa. Mumbisa ne say abai kano 2024 2025 sana kano ho cocoa board kano sana all 2024 na all 2025 eba ne say na cocoa board kana wo say wo beto ye no na all 2025 enso utumi de 500 cedis ne ye den e ka ahoma ye sama na kano we na sesa e kano ho dadade a ene eba ne say na utumi de 500 ye den e ka ahoma ye and one back catcher say, a ka wo ho Aden and embre do ya 1 2 anamo yenti. What ye sika so na fe de ode be sheka. Ebusuafo ade ba ko penti na na yate ye koko so. De enti yate koko ni so nyina ene ne se abai we anton ye koko no embra na nkese so ye den. Oton no. Enti neni so te no no na eka no so at ebo no so ate ayedan aba fam ama koko na kaisi de mu enti me no kasei me ne wo koko na ye ton ma ban na nkese aban de kwaji sika man no abo no so e na kaisi de mu e no ntumi yedan enton na instead of so obeji atum na ono ehu se ono na wanhu na dwuma ye enti anko pesika metua ye ka no o se wo mo na ese yedan wo te wo ka so medoma no asi na the American ne say e kada ho enso aban we akoto Land Cruisers mako 10 e kada ho enso aban we akoto pickups mako 110 ama de dwuma yefo e kada ho muntie o e kada ho enso Cocobod CEO afa Cocobod sika akoy renovation woni fie na adenti na e kada ho na wotumi temme koko kueni misika so na wo de waketu ya wotumi yeden enti so e free na nanom breso bepem ne koko ekuafo mat da se abaya ka che se Cocobod ndekada embre bia ye do mo ka se Cocobod ka enso what is aban bia ba e de Cocobod ka ode aye excuse ate usika so da ye ba be mu 2017 na NDC for ka omaboato wo ama na nadodan ko ekufo do ye bi nie loan syndicated loan 1.8 billion dollars omkoje ye so omo de be didwa ama Ghana no omo lusu election December 7th ye do 30th December no mo diskani nyina omo amfa nto koko mo te say ekufo do temu koko so because of sai kama ekufo do amfa Cocobod CEO a oye adwuma and NDC anko court opuni mante NDC aban we bae omo no maye dan omo agya no na eka na ye beto from 2017 no eye sa aka no na aba be premane sa 2017 ka no eno na aba be dan abepem ne na wo boka eto 2016 na wo ba ebeto kana na wo de saka ne yeden esoa yen ebusuafo me de manuesi afi ye betie mo ya menhia mo.
You know, government decisions are always balanced on a scale of several other factors. If government is supposed to or is going to work with entirely what market conditions are, we will not have free education, we will not have free healthcare, we will not have any subsidies, you know, even electricity and others, governments subsidize. And the reason is because government decisions are ultimately supposed to ensure convenience for the citizens. And that's what the cocoa farmers are asking for. First of all, let's put it on record. The current situation is not entirely as a result of the market, international market price. The current situation has a lot more to do with government's own indecision in the trade. Because there are few misrepresentations that the Cocobod CEO has attempted to do. Let me ask you guys something, all of you here. Assuming Cocobod had sold all the cocoa beans, okay, when the price peaked at 11,000, sometimes 13,000, would Cocobod debt be the reason why prices will go down? Let's assume Cocobod had debt in 2017 when the previous government took office. In fact, if you recall, the Cocobod CEO then had been in court until his own government came and filed for a nolle prosequa and left him. Let me remind all of you that there's something that this government is doing that we are trying very hard not to push the conversation towards MPP and NDC. It hasn't gotten there yet. Now it is NDC government versus the farmers. It is the NDC government versus the farmers. And that's why we are trying very hard to resist that temptation. Otherwise, this NDC government, who is talking about debt, is largely responsible for the Cocobod debt. Why? Because you remember this government took a syndicated loan of 1.8 billion in 2016. And by the time they were leaving office, by 30th December, the entire $1.8 billion had been squandered by them without supplying the cocoa. In fact, $400 million was spent between December 7th and 30th December. When the previous government, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, inherited this, did you hear them complaining and saying that because of that they will reduce prices? Do you remember that somewhere 2017, 2018, the international price for cocoa dropped? At the time when Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and the MPP was supposed to use the same excuse to reduce the cocoa price from 475 downwards. They didn't do it. They maintained it. How do you think they managed to do it? Now, the debt that the NDC government left with the $1.8 billion syndicated loan that they squandered in 2016 without supplying the cocoa beans, how was the government able to deal with that one? The government then had to borrow. The MPP government had to borrow to be able to make up for that $1.8 billion syndicated loan that they took and squandered.
People's Forum idea, no, Efrain.
Oh, Ubi, what I said, Tama, November, December, no, Ghana ha. Then this is for a mining in a dream say Ghana say the good Afaka coins on my okay, almost $1 above film, inflation above film. That was the time on in this in Nikasa, Kabibia, Mahama is the whole Bibia. Just said they didn't even let people so, but within that period, you know, we have a team. We have a team of young, intelligent, your friend is saying, researchers. And so within that period, you know, then we decided to say, yeah, you better appraisal of the NDC performance. We say, fact based.
Okay.
We always prefer say we'll deal with the issues and deal with the facts. And see, we took the NDC's manifesto. Because you see the BBA Bekasa. Any far NDC budgets me, near year assessment. You go to a year assessment. If we're there for about 5 days, you're going to conclave for about 5 days. Very young, smart guys, about 30 of them. The outcome of our assessment, and they say NDC has done very well in certain aspects, especially when it comes to the macroeconomic indicators, dollar, inflation, which has obviously affected food on this animal. But they identified a contradiction. Inti almost red flag, Inti me back, no. Analysis. So almost say, that I see a because a strange say on my way, we know how our economy run. For the first time, it looks as if say, whilst the macroeconomic indicators are improving in an unprecedented manner, no, the cost of living in the country rather is worsening. Until there was a disconnect. Until even the total appraisal of the NDC performance because we realized that there was a crisis situation to deal with. Because this was at a time and now NDC force your minor and all. Then we realized that what these guys have been doing over the period, rather than say, creating a certain facade, a certain public relations, caricature be, animation be, into 1 year, you will miss the details. So we decided to now take what we have found to the people. Niyanko find out say ebia MPP for ntina bibia yen fena na say what is the situation on the ground. And no the People's Forum by into the first episode of People's Forum near Koyo Kofodia.
Okay.
Any other market women, taxi drivers, nursing students, teacher trainee students, unemployed way for a year analysis. The outcome of that People's Forum was quite clear. Say there is a disconnect between what the government is doing and its impact in the lives of the people. And no, the main said no. We need to create a platform, amplify the voices of the mind, the masses. Because what we realize and say, just about 10% of the population truly have been positively impacted by the government's performance. I won't lie to you. Obia o nisi kare toka afia brochireba. Obia or drive you on one car or kotofu or filling station. So I just say Obia ne bako school or Roman radio $2. Obi or your businessman or $6 kodi draba. Obi o tu kwan kwa brochire eco vacation. These people are people who are benefited. But almost no more access to Obi. Any Asempa FM. No more access to Joy News. No more access to Adom. Inti na say say, hey, how is the country going? Say, it is going well. It is going well. Without realizing, say, even Accra here, between 75 to 80% of the people in Accra ever trotro. Into on fuel station kwede and koto fuel. It is all catching and say fuel abafemo. Am pa abafemo yen true. Nemo mono impact here because he ente trotro fair no so ye. In other places, Crampo, in the next 1 hour, ebi mu betua double and say what we are doing edufie. Obi wo ha esane sa stress we nti onyane 3 no obedu office ntem se na be on traffic ho upon 5 obedu fie na about 11 no akoda no onyane 3 we realized that there were a lot of people that they cannot voice out because they have been overshadowed by the voices of the 10% be now mono truly, and I must be very honest, they have benefited. I don't know for people's forum here then by you free or no I feel they all nan crofo send no inbox your problem your issue near teacher for or my form adwuma or my adwuma 14 months I buying it to 1 month pe they can buy into ya no ma send it no ma the details am my nurse for training college for and come didi an pay we na nwumre afi I buy mom aduane ba akopɛ yen mom mienu no mo tworo e ho ne yemu said no we need to help. And yen help no, it's not about our views anymore. It's just simply putting out the views of the people. And on the people's forum near the buyer.
But you are saying, sir, or more a frame or some may highlight your issues and more. No, they don't care. Cross the faces behind when a politicians. They don't care.
They even like it that way because they've come to realize that it is when the politicians pick up the issues that the politicians react. Na se koko for say me when you say in October or November.
Yes.
And I saying ya mu nyina da Roma ne people's for when na kabu mu sanka ban react. So you see they are right. Because immediately people's forum took up the matter. Then it became a topical matter. Then it got attention. Then government reacted. And that is why they are excited about it. Because Obi, the masses need to be heard. Yen to metra radio so de bia na yen nko na yedi yen ho achinje. And this forecast na people forecast na nipa ne bre.
But there are allegations and so say this whole thing no more call ahead call prepping call for extra one you want some of them cry a party for no matter for one just to create a certain effect. How do you respond to it?
Could be say NDC for so omo sana omo fana e che no mo ko bi e no mo kokoko for no mo ko kanche kokoko for no say enye no kre say yate musika so say enye no kre say mo cost input into the cocoa farm ekofam me cocoa farm e wo dwabo e wo mfra no wa onim mfra no a onim dwabo enuma pepem side o ayeso no here me cocoa farm ho minimum the cost in there about a year or two ago na me fa laborers wo me cocoa farm me 250 cedis and then me mom 120 gromo nje this one be 150 Ghana cedis. And these are what the people are saying. If you think say omo kasa na here MPP for nti omo it's okay. Yeah, the idea and say we'll go to the people and we'll go and amplify the voices of the people. Me, baby, I'm a coin ray, me nko hoda. Baby, a coin ray, me nko hoda, minimum bia ho. Me the and say,
asante ray.
if say if I don't fe, or bompata side or me nko hoda. Obi na send me inbox kasi omo ye cocoa growing area and they want their voices to be heard. And I make a team ne say yenko. And we'll continue to do it because the voices of the people must be heard. It is up to the government. Your voice we na sa ban ni beti anu wetie. When tie na sem say no beti interpret the be there and you see the good thing is say we make sure say we are amplifying the voices of the people. You can debate the facts say the okano enye no kre say ne friend is saying the koko no bo no what is what and they say na wa catch no anameboa. So ours is to amplify what the people are saying. It is the government's mandate to do whatever they want to do with the information, but we are not stopping. We will not stop today. Will not stop tomorrow, will not stop the day after. I have come to realize after the appraisal at the end of the year and say this particular government, say if we don't highlight the issues, they are fefe omunia memua, omudi PR, ebe kata bibia so, and I'll do everything together with the team. Menoka say the team is already they are out there. Team no menoka say omukoendre ye buy ye better ye machiwe omuko by echina omude other issues here the eba. And it is the government's responsibility to also fix the issues. So long as I have a team of dedicated young people who are willing and ready to work to help amplify the voice of the people in the 30 of them, and they are out there helping to make this.
So the word your mommy, conversation. I have Penyah Media.